Area 51, a name synonymous with aliens, UFOs, and government conspiracies. For decades, this top-secret military base has been shrouded in mystery, leading to rampant speculation about what could be happening within its highly classified walls. Officially known as Homey Airport, this remote detachment of Edwards Air Force Base is located in the vast expanse of the Nevada desert, specifically Groom Lake, a dry lake bed about 83 miles from Las Vegas. Its remote location and heavy security measures have only fueled the fire of curiosity and conspiracy theories surrounding the base. In fact, it was only officially acknowledged by the CIA in 2013, further adding to its enigmatic reputation. But why did they wait so long? Was it to protect us from the truth, or were they hiding something else entirely? The secrecy around Area 51 has been so intense that even today, details about its operations and activities are scarce, leaving us to wonder what exactly is going on there. So let us take a deep dive into this mysterious site and explore some of the darkest secrets it may be hiding. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey into the heart of one of the most secretive places on Earth. Before we get started, be sure to hit that like button for more videos. And with that, let's begin. UFO sightings and cover-ups. The existence of Area 51 has long been linked to the presence of extraterrestrials, or at least extraterrestrial technology. This connection stems from numerous UFO sightings reported in the skies above Nevada, particularly around the Groom Lake area. These sightings often describe strange lights and objects moving in unusual patterns, which some believe could be evidence of extraterrestrial activity. The secrecy surrounding Area 51 has only added fuel to these theories, with many believing that the government is actively trying to hide evidence of alien life from the public. One of the most famous cases of a UFO sighting in relation to Area 51 occurred in 1947 when an alleged flying saucer was spotted over Mount Rainier by two pilots, George Adam and Robert Fuller. Their report of a bright, shiny object that hovered over the mountain and then disappeared quickly gained attention. Although the military initially dismissed their story, renewed investigations in the 1980s brought about the declassification of documents that corroborated the pilots' accounts. This case, along with many others, has led people to believe that the government may be involved in a massive cover-up operation to hide the truth about extraterrestrials from the public. Some even claim that the government retrieves and reverse engineers crashed alien vehicles at Area 51, with the Roswell incident of 1947 being a prime example. While the government has officially denied any involvement in a cover-up, the secrecy surrounding Area 51 continues to raise eyebrows and fuel conspiracy theories, extraterrestrial life or advanced tech. The secrecy surrounding Area 51 has led to various theories about what could be happening there. One prevalent theory is that the base is used to house and study captured extraterrestrial vehicles and even extraterrestrial beings. This theory is fueled by numerous UFO sightings in the area and alleged government cover-up operations. Some believe that the government is actively trying to hide evidence of alien life from the public, with Area 51 being the key location for storing and studying this evidence. However, another theory suggests that Area 51 is used for developing and testing advanced military technology. This includes the development of new aircraft, drones, and weapon systems that are so cutting-edge that they must be kept secret from foreign adversaries. Proponents of this theory argue that the secrecy surrounding Area 51 is necessary to protect national security and that the government has no motive to hide evidence of alien life. There is also a third camp that believes the government is developing advanced technologies related to time travel and teleportation. These theories are often based on alleged leaked documents and eyewitness accounts, but there is no concrete evidence to support them. It is important to note that none of these theories have been officially verified, and the true nature of Area 51's activities remains classified. However, the continued secrecy surrounding the base has only added to its mysterious reputation and fueled speculation about what could be happening there. What's really going on? Given the lack of official information, it's hard to say definitively what is happening inside Area 51. However, We can examine some of the more popular theories and consider the plausibility of each, the extraterrestrial theory. As mentioned earlier, the most popular theory is that Area 51 houses captured alien technology and perhaps even live extraterrestrial beings. Proponents of this theory point to the numerous UFO sightings in the area as well as alleged government cover-up operations. However, there is no concrete evidence to support this theory. Despite the secrecy surrounding Area 51, it is unlikely that the government would be able to hide the presence of extraterrestrial life from the public indefinitely. Additionally, if the government were to capture an extraterrestrial vehicle, it is likely that various government agencies would be involved in the investigation rather than just the military. The advanced military technology theory. Another popular theory is that Area 51 is used for developing and testing advanced military technology. This theory is more plausible as the United States military has a history of developing cutting-edge technology in highly classified facilities. In fact, it has been confirmed that Area 51 has been used for testing aircraft such as the U-2 spy plane and the A-12 development. These aircraft were highly classified at the time, and the secrecy surrounding their development was necessary to protect national security. It is possible that similar cutting-edge technologies are being developed at Area 51 today, the remote and secure location. The location of Area 51 in the remote Nevada desert is ideal for developing and testing new technologies. The vast open space provides a large area for testing new aircraft and weapon systems, and the remote location ensures that any noise or light pollution does not interfere with the testing process. Additionally, the heavily guarded nature of Area 51 ensures that any sensitive technologies being developed there are protected from foreign adversaries. The need for secrecy. The need for secrecy surrounding Area 51 can also be explained by the fact that many of the technologies being developed there are not only cutting edge but also potentially dangerous. Developing new weapon systems and testing them requires a high level of security to ensure that the technology does not fall into the wrong hands. Additionally, the government may choose to keep certain technologies classified to maintain a technological advantage over foreign adversaries. The government stance on Area 51. Despite the numerous theories and speculations about Area 51, the government has remained tight-lipped about the base's activities. However, in recent years, the government has declassified some documents that shed light on the base's history. As mentioned earlier, the CIA officially acknowledged the existence of Area 51 in 2013, ending decades of speculation about its existence. The declassification of other documents has revealed that Area 51 has been used for testing experimental aircraft, and that the sightings of UFOs in the area can be attributed to these tests. Conclusion. While the government has come clean about some aspects of Area 51, much of what goes on at the base remains classified. It is possible that the government is developing advanced military technologies there that are not known to the public. However, there is no concrete evidence to support the theory that the base is used to house captured alien technology or extraterrestrial beings. It is important to approach this topic with a healthy dose of skepticism and critical thinking. While the idea of extraterrestrial life is fascinating, it is important to rely on evidence and reason when evaluating claims about Area 51 or any other paranormal phenomena. Overall, while the mystery surrounding Area 51 may never be fully solved, it is important to be critical of the information we encounter and to evaluate claims about Area 51 with a healthy dose of skepticism. The true nature of what goes on at the base may never be known, but that only adds to the intrigue and fascination that surrounds it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. And if you'd like to learn more about Area 51, check out our other videos on the channel. We've got plenty of content that's sure to satisfy your curiosity. See you next time.